Hi, my name's Dara. I'm a health and wellness specialist with Prevea. Today, we're here to talk about different mindful techniques that you can use within 15 to 30 seconds. Mindfulness really helps with lowering our stress. It also helps with bringing us into the present moment. There is an old Proverbs that says if we are feeling anxious or stressed, our minds are living too far in the future. Whereas if we're feeling sad or down, a lot of times our minds are living too far in the past. Whereas when we're at peace and happy, we're living in the present moment. And that's a lot of what mindfulness is about. It's just how do you bring yourself in the present moment. Today, we're gonna stick to just a very simple technique that you can use, and that is to count to 5. So for 5, you would do 5 things you see in a room or around you. So right now, I see a table, I see a chair, I see a board, whatever those 5 things might be. And that just kind of helps you, again, if you're overthinking, to kind of tame it down a little bit there. Then you can go to 4 things you can touch around you. If you're in the grocery store, maybe it's a piece of candy at the register, or maybe it's the cart. Again, bringing in all our senses to bring us into that present moment. 3 things you can hear. Right now, I can hear the ticking of a clock. I can hear my breath. Those types of things can really, again, help with that piece. 2 things you can smell. Again, maybe you're outside and you smell fresh cut grass, or maybe you're in the car and you have a lovely scented car deodorant in there. And then the last one is 1. What can you feel? And that might be happiness, that might be relief, it might be excitement. Whatever those things are, again, just to help you to bring yourself into that present moment. And that is really all mindfulness is about. So again, this is something you can practice anywhere within 15 to 30 seconds, and it's a very easy start for mindfulness practices. If you'd like to learn more about Prevea, you can visit our website at prevea.com. And if you're interested in learning more about the programs offered at CVTC, you can go to their website at cvtc.edu. Thank you.